Welcome to the Entertainment Planet. Before watching the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys! Can you guess the animal by its sound? So, are you ready? Let's play!
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's monkey.
Monkeys are highly intelligent, playful animals known for their agility and curiosity.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a donkey. A donkey is a hard-working animal known for its strength.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yes, a hippo makes this sound. A hippo is a large animal known for its big mouth and love for water.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yes, an elephant makes this sound. An elephant is a large, gentle giant with a trunk and big ears.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a lion. A lion is a powerful big cat known as the king of the jungle.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a cat. A cat is a small and very playful pet.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a wolf. A wolf is a wild, social animal known for its howl and pack behavior.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a goat. A goat is a playful, hardy animal often found grazing on grass and shrubs.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a horse. A horse is a strong, graceful animal known for its speed.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a penguin. A penguin is a flightless bird known for its waddling walk and love of the cold.
What animal do you think makes this sound?
Yeah, it's a dog. A dog is a loyal companion, bringing joy and warmth to everyday life.